Alright. So first I gotta take out 6 of them. I'm gonna throw this other garbage in here. Alright, here we go. No, I can't. Gotta close my vault. Here we go. How many people am I gonna upset with this video? There's 9 of them, dude. DPJ hype. DPJ's the homie, dude. What is this? This is me deleting 36 Gjallarhorns, dude. You don't even have yours maxed. Well, I had 10 of them before I started, dude. Brendan, this is something I gotta do, man. Sorry. I had 10 of them before I started, guys. And then I bought the rest of them from Zer. The last 9. And then we'll go buy an extra one. Just to put the cherry on top, dude. We're gonna go buy an extra one. Make sure you guys look out for that YouTube upload as well. I'll make sure to put this on YouTube. At least keep it 365 galley? No, dude, that's overrated. Gotta go balls to the wall, dude. All gone. Except we're gonna go buy one more.
Good to have you back, Hunter. think that it is my will.
Need one more. That's all I can afford, dude.
And an end will come.
Rest in peace, 500 strange coins. Rest in peace.
Each mote of dust tells us.
Alright, fellas. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Look forward to more crazy stuff here in the future.